Good morning, children. Today it is a revision of group 16 elements. It will not be possible to revise all the chemical properties, but some of the physical properties as well as their general properties that will be discussed. The group 16 consists of oxygen, sulfur, selenium, beryllium and polonium. This group is known by the name of chalcogens. Chalco word has been taken from the Greek word brass, and this is in association with that of a sulfur and is conjures with that of a copper. Moreover, the maximum number of ores that either occur in the form of oxide or they occur in the form of sulfide. The general electronic configuration for this group is NS2 and P4. The most important part is the occurrence of elements in this group. Oxygen is the most abundant element on Earth's crust. I am saying oxygen is the most abundant element on Earth's crust, not in universe, because in environment nitrogen is most abundant. It is the most abundant element on Earth's crust. The rest of the elements, they are found in a small amount, but sulfur occur in many forms. For example, gypsum, that is known by the name of calcium sulfate with 2 molecules of water, contains sulfur. Epsom salt, that is magnesium sulfate with 7 molecules of water, contains sulfur. Barite, that is barium sulfate with that of a 2 molecules of water, again contains sulfur. All the volcanic eruption things that contains sulfur, that is H2S gas is released whenever there is a volcanic eruption. It is found in the form of zinc blend in zinc sulfide. It is found in the galena, that is a ore of lead, in the form of PbS. It is found in copper pyrite, that is CuFeS2, which is an ore of copper. It is found in onion, garlic, wool, mustard and so many other things where this sulfur is present, either in the film form or in the combined form. The next property is the atomic and ionic radii of this group. The atomic and ionic radii, it is increases down the group. Why does it increases? Because number of shells increases. So atomic and ionic radii increases down the group. The next property is that of a ionization enthalpy. Ionization enthalpy depends upon two factors. Ionization enthalpy of this group is decreases down the group. Why the ionization enthalpy decreases? It depends upon two factors. One of the factor is size and the second factor is the screening effect. As we move down the group, the size increases, the nuclear force of attraction decreases, so it becomes very easy to take the electron from the element. You know what is meant by ionization enthalpy? It is the amount of energy required to take the electron from the isolated gaseous atom. The second factor is the screening effect. The screening effect increases as we move down the group. So that is why the ionization enthalpy decreases. It is inverse of size. One more factor is that the ionization enthalpy of group 16 elements is less than that of a group 15 elements, because the group 15 elements are half filled. So that is why they are more stable. They are having more ionization.